The system hates men who do the right thing. Be me, 27. Mom's mantra growing up, never depend on a man. Half joking, half serious. Dad would argue but usually lost. Learned early, safest side of conversation equals moms. Boys in school. Idiots or distractions. Meme wars with friends about useless husbands/future exes. College crush. Flirted for months. See him dating quiet girl next week. She's pure, roommate explains. Pure equals me equals dirty laundry. Brick hits brain. Decide, never let a man judge my worth again. Brother Daniel equals exception. 6 years older, actually reliable. Picks me up, helps me move, never complains. Friends ask if he's single, I roll eyes. Too good for you. Fast forward, first marketing job. Old uni friend Emily joins. Lunch gossip, memes, coffee breaks. She just moved back after breakup, looking for reset summer. Invite her to family barbecue, low-key. She meets Daniel. Conversation flows, both laughing. Orbiting each other all afternoon. Water balloon fight, shirts soaked, mascara smudged. Both grinning like idiots. I barely notice, busy corralling cousins. Weeks later. Emily starts asking about Daniel. Does he have a house? Dating anyone? I tease her, she shrugs. Part of me thinks it's cute, part remembers heartbreak lessons. Months pass. Officially a couple. House in suburbs, adopt dog, first kid. Dad gifted house before wedding, Daniel takes care of everything. Emily climbs career ladder, Daniel equals home base. Pattern cements. Emily complains Daniel isn't ambitious enough. Daniel keeps showing up, doing unglamorous work, kids happy. Emily drops the bomb, wants more out of life. Wants lifestyle upgrade, not love. Already filed for divorce. Courts grant her exclusive use of house, primary custody. Daniel packs 2 duffel bags, moves into tiny rental. First paycheck, child support auto debit, half his income gone. Pays dance recital fees for kids he barely sees. Sells guitar, pawned watch, hoodie equals daily uniform. Meals equals pasta, toast, condiments. Supervised visits, sterile rooms, buzzing lights. Kids ask when they can go back to mom. He smiles anyway, colors with them, counts minutes like both a gift and countdown. Months pass. Emily posts kids with new guy, real man in their lives. Daniel locks phone, stares at wall. Writes birthday letters to kids, some returned. Apartment smells like damp cardboard. Stops heating to save money, misses meals. Court orders, child support, legal fees pile up. His life equals spreadsheet of survival. Good dad erased by system. Realize why men check out. Don't propose, don't move in, don't sign papers. Watched my brother lose everything but debt. Used to think men deserved what came to them. Now, can't laugh anymore.